Hi guys, in this video we will be understanding the nature and distribution of volcanic events, their magnitude and frequency, and the impacts of volcanic activity.
To begin with, we're going to look at the nature and distribution of volcanic events. And in the previous video we learned about the theory of plate tectonics and about plate boundaries, and most volcanic activity occurs at plate margins through tectonic processes. So our plate margins are the borders between our plates, shown by these white lines here. However, volcanoes don't occur at all plate boundaries, only specific ones, and we're going to look at them in more detail. So our first kind are ocean ridges, and an example of a classic ocean ridge is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is this line going up in the middle of the Atlantic, and we're going to look at why volcanoes occur here. So at ocean ridges we get seafloor spreading, and we learnt about this in detail in the last video, but this is where plumes of magma are coming up from the mantle and causing the crust to spread apart away from each other. And this lava that is coming up from the crust, or known as magma when it's in the crust, and lava when it reaches land, is rising up and it is able to form volcanoes. Now, these volcanoes have very particular characteristics. They don't have the classic volcano shape, they have much gentler slopes. This is because of the type of lava that the volcanoes are made of. And I mentioned earlier in the previous video that oceanic crust contains a rock called basalt, and this makes the lava basaltic, and we don't need to know anything more about it rather than the name is called basaltic lava. And this type of lava has a low viscosity, which means it's quite runny. And this means that the eruptions aren't explosive, they're more frequent and gentle, and that is the type of volcano we get at ocean ridges. Then we have our volcanoes occurring at subduction zones, and as we can remember, subduction zones are where one type of crust is being subducted beneath the other, as shown in this diagram.
Hi guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.